That's part of the night.
They make a regular monster.
Yeah, you gotta go right there.
They make a regular.
Man, I come here, you don't go
I like superbike. I justify it. I just know.
Why you got live, Darren? Being in Michigan. Liar. Liar.
If you never went, you wouldn't even know it.
Yo, Dave. I saw the lights on.
I know it's here. Right. That's the nighttime use only. I just came to see the fight. I'm surprised they got it. No, I'm good. Choked it down. I mean, I fell over the fucking thing right here.
He's like, so what time you guys?
Right. I'm waiting on it to get longer though. Oh yeah. Man.
Could have been worse. I was behind John and I was thinking he was
I'm gonna get recognized. Man, I see the shade off like the baby's ass right now.
Yeah, I
Real
got
clean
my
cut.
mustache at this point.
I thought you was getting a new job. Interview or something in the morning. I
Just get off my
got a pass. Running lately?
Actually, yesterday. Oh, no. No, not
You were
last
blind
night.
to have it stop.
We got stopped last night again.
You didn't see the clip on the page?
No.
That was so funny.
So, yeah, I put on, put on Bad Boys. So we're all standing.
I put that on my story.
Yeah,
I showed that on my story,
I'm
yeah.
about to pull it up, but I saw Danny. I feel like something. You can do it fast.
So while I made that and I was viewing it, it was, yeah, but it was while I did the video, I pressed play. You're trying to give us tickets. Pay attention. Like, guys, you're in trouble. Like dancing around.
Great.
That was like perfect timing, dude. I was like thinking of the song. Actually, he was kind of like hot and arrogant. She was like a dude. I thought it was too tight. Seriously,
I
I was
still
like,
started.
look
I
at
just
it,
went out and I'm like, oh, it did turn off.
They were bored. They were bored. Yeah, at first. Yeah, we sat there 45 minutes.
Who's that real famous guy that did track racing? You know who I'm thinking about? That's who that should look like.
Oh, you're talking
Yes!
Oh, that one.
That's Bruce Jenner. Still like it's like a dude in a uniform. We used to go fishing out there behind they're fucking assholes back there. I caught a huge largemouth bass and they're off by a and just made me throw it back. I think it was like 7. I was like 7 or 8 at the time. Fishing with like 6 boys. Made me throw it so bad. Like, yeah, I'm not doing this.
Together, so that's a white stuff.
What's going on?
Pretty simple.
Haven't seen you in a while.
I was about to say, I don't think
Are you?
If anybody wants to go,
Kind of, like I do. Actually, we just found out like a lot of my close friends are close friends.
yeah, we were in Milk Creek.
Yeah. He grew up right around the corner.
Oh, okay.
So, but like my friend Sarah, I told her that.
Sarah.
We'll ride in the square, gas station to gas station.
Yeah. She was absolutely fine.
It's my daily vehicle.
I like to ride, but I like to ride by myself.
It is. He's got the dark
Getting off the bike, train guys, luckily I'm not wearing my helmet. I like it. My elbows, my neck, money for a class.
It's crazy how it started.
I mean, I ran
Like last year it came out, now it's 700 something. It was way more from out of state. Recently, I think she's trying to keep it track.
You didn't have that on there before.
Yeah, we're at like 10 counties.
I just got tired of being at work.
Actually, I'm how about that?
I'm gonna have to put $1 tomorrow.
There you go. Yeah. I'm in
It's fun.
Yay! Best friend.
Implants is going to be different. Well, I'm thinking of doing it on Friday. I think the old lady come with you.
It's about to get us for like more than one vehicle in a parking spot. I know, I'm just, he'll make up something.
Right, that's what I'm concerned about. Plus, you know, I have a ray. I don't want to get into the direct line.
Days might soon.
Yeah, I think they turn off automatically.
He's been here for like an hour.
He said he just got done telling us they stay up until like
Are you sure you didn't keep going straight?
It's public. It's fucking public. The gates are up. It's fucking public.
That doesn't seem to be perfect. It's like, what if it's cold?
Doing good.
all the stuff I waited for everything I wanted to do. The only two parts I didn't put on yet. I have this and carbon at the house, and these.
All the way like
7 to 9.
422. Did you not even know about this?
I didn't even know about
Yeah.
it.
He's on the page like everything to do it.
Silicone hoses.
Oh, Heather. I'm the one who recognized
Pretty much everything.
It was just them. I didn't know it was gonna be like that.
Titanium bolts.
That's like
I started last year. I bought a CR 500.
These were supposed to be all blue too, but they don't fit so far in that case. So that was the only thing I did.
So I ended up buying a Jigster, and I could tell it's been sitting for a while. So Sarah took me up
really
there
liking
really
this thing. It's
for
not the
a
most
while. I took it out to Youngstown. We're having it in Youngstown. So I was like, I'm just done writing it. So I took the rust off and I just tore it down. I replaced everything. I changed
Mine is.
the brake
That's
pad.
why I
and
bought
then
that
there's
sensor to
something
help
else
figure out
that,
how to
like,
use
she's like, one of the things that rewrite it. So I did. I changed everything.
It does not.
And then
It's like you're
I've
getting
never
knocked out.
put it back tire.
Because it has more to do with like the physical aspects of your face, like the depth of your face.
You just never know.
No, not the tire. The tire yeah, so I got it off because I was changing the
It's like a naked bike. That's
so,
what I
mean,
like.
everything was
One buddy
fine,
has the
you know,
XR,
so
and I sat on it, and I'm like,
like
having the MT10, I wanted a little bit of. I just truly love riding, so like I want different styles. I got a fair bad accident and stuff.
I got the whole thing online.
It has a lot to do with it has a lot to do with your face, but a lot